Hey everyone, this is Rebecca at Teacups and Fairy Tales, and I'm so excited because today when I got home, I had this amazing present on my doorstep. And I will admit, I already tore into the box and opened everything up, but I wanted to show you what was in the box because it's so cool. It was actually a gift from Popped Passion, which is a new company owned and operated by Maria Bailey. And in the package, there were two adorable popcorn cakes, which I love, and a cute little note. Well, a note from her. I shouldn't say cute. It's just a really sweet note from Maria. She's been a huge supporter of me and of women in general and moms who own their own businesses and are entrepreneurs. And she's just amazing. I can't say enough amazing things about her. She's wonderful. Anyway, so there was a personalized note in there with them. But she sent me two of her popcorn cakes. And the really cool thing about these cakes, as you can see, they're really adorable and yummy, is that they actually mix two of my favorite things. We all love popcorn, or at least I know I do. Popcorn is a big thing here at our house. And then she combines them with candy. And it's amazing. I mean, really cool. And they make wonderful, wonderful gifts. I mean, they're decorative, they're really cute, and they're delicious. I can't wait to tear into them and eat them. But the really cool thing about it is that they're affordable. They can be customized. She can customize them with your favorite sports team, so they make great gifts for dads as well as moms. They're great gifts for corporate meetings. And just for really anything, birthdays, if you have a friend and you're not 100% sure what to get them for their birthday or for the holidays, popcorn cake. You can get them with your favorite candies. Like, I'm actually considering getting one for my husband because he's kind of picky about what he wants, but he likes popcorn and he loves like peanut butter candy and stuff, so I can get him one with Reese's peanut butter. But I wanted to show them to you because I actually added them to my holiday gift guides this year because they make amazing gifts. If you go to the blog, which is Teacups and Fairy Tales, you'll see I have a gift guide for both men and women this year with some amazing gifts on there that will make your shopping a lot easier. So be sure to check those out. But I just really wanted to just show you these cakes because they are amazing. They really are. They look like an actual little bundt cake. And they come all decorated in these beautiful little bowls and nicely wrapped. And this one's Christmassy, so it's perfect for, again, a hostess gift. You've been invited to a Christmas party, not sure what to bring as a hostess gift. Bingo, popcorn cake. They're genius. And and who doesn't love popcorn and candy? So that is what really makes them the best because they're a little bit of both goodness. You get two worlds in one. You get popcorn, you get candy, and boom, it's a cake. And who doesn't like cake? So this is really amazing. I can't wait to tear into them and start eating them. But they are, like I said, they're from the company Pop Passion, and they're really cool. It's Popped Passions, or Passion, and they're popcorn cakes. You can get them custom. You can even buy a subscription so that when you buy them, whoever you buy them for, whether it's your mom, your child, that's in college, because they make great gifts for kids in college. Not only are they edible, but they travel well. I mean, they ship really quickly, and they're yummy. And what college kid doesn't want a midnight snack while they're studying for finals, which I know are around the corner? They make great gifts, so get them a subscription box. This way, each month they get a little cake, a little popcorn cake with their favorite candy or team color or whatever, and they have study food for a couple days. I know with my son, he's prepping for finals in a couple weeks because he'll be finishing up his fall semester at college, and I think this will make a great gift for him to say, "Congrats, you made it through your first semester of college! Woohoo!" But yeah, they're really amazing. I mean, like I said, holiday gifts, birthday gifts, Father's Day, Mother's Day, corporate gifts, hostess gifts. You go into a party, Grab yourself a popcorn cake, take it, give it to the hostess. She'll be happy. Trust me. Who doesn't like popcorn and candy together? I mean, it's amazing. So definitely check out the blog for the holiday gift guides for both the men and the women. But more importantly, go check out Popped Passion and get yourself a popcorn cake because they are amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I can't say that enough. I mean, hello. Look at this. Is that not the cutest cake in the world and so decorative? I'm really excited to get into this one because it's all Christmas-like and I'm all into the Christmas spirit this week. So yes. So go. Run now and go get you a popcorn cake for the holidays. Send it to your moms, your dads, your grandkids, your aunts, your uncles, that friend out west or out east that you don't know what to send them. Send them a popcorn cake. They'll be calling you, thanking you, saying that was the best gift ever. Go, do it now. That's Popped Passion. And don't forget to check out Teacups and Fairy Tales for your holiday gift guides and all things Disney. Till next time, talk to you later. Bye-bye.